Hi friends, welcome to Fun Maths. So today we will do the subtraction for grade 3. So I welcome all the grade 3 students. So you must have learned about subtraction in your previous classes. You must have done subtraction of one digit number or two digit number. So we will have a recap of this in the form of definition. So subtraction is a process of finding difference between two or more numbers. It is one of the basic operations. So dear children, I hope you all know the meaning of basic operations. So what are basically the basic operations? So the basic operations are plus, minus, which we will study now, multiplication, and division. So this sign for minus is this dash which you can see on the screen. So now we will do subtraction of three-digit number without borrowing. So 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. And 7 minus 1 is equals to 6. Now let's do two more questions of the same. So you all can do the questions. You can pause the video and then solve it, and I will tell you the answers after that. Yeah, I hope you all have solved the questions. I hope you all are not cheating. Okay, so 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. That 8 minus 7 is equals to 1. Next, 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. So our answer is 615. Next, let's proceed with the second question. 687 minus 380. So 7 minus 0 is 7. So whenever we add or subtract any number from 0, we always get the answer the same number. So here we will do 7 minus 0. So our answer is also 7. Next we will do 8 minus 8, which is equals to 0. So whenever we subtract two numbers which are same, we get 0. Next, we will do 6 minus 3, which is equals to 3. So here we get the answer 307. So let's proceed further. Now we will do the subtraction of three-digit number with borrowing. So we will first do 1 minus 2. So 1 is smaller than 2. So what to do? So we need to borrow from 7. When we borrow from one number, we have to put 1 in front of the number. Like when I am borrowing from 7, so I will put 1 in the front of this digit 1. So I will cross the 1 and I will write 11 because I have put 1 in the front of this 1, which will form 11. Now since since we have borrowed from 7, there will also be a change in 7. But let's first solve it. So it will be 11 minus 2, which is 9. So as I said, there will be a change in 7. So since we have borrowed from 7, so we need to subtract 1 from it. So 7 minus 1 is equals to 6. So first we will cut the 7 and then we will write 6. Now 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. As I said, whenever we subtract same numbers, we get 0. Next we will do 7 minus 1, which is equals to 6. So we will leave this undisturbed because 7 is neither smaller than 1 nor we have borrowed from 7. So let's do two questions related to it. Alright, so let's proceed further with these questions. So it will be 6 minus 9, but we cannot do 6 minus 9 because, yes, 6 is smaller than 9. So we have to borrow from 8. So we will borrow from 8 and we will put 1 in the front of 6. So first we will cut the 6, and when we put 1 in the front of 6, it becomes 16. So we will do 16 minus 9, which is equals to 7. Next, since we have borrowed from 8, so we need to subtract 1 from the number 8. So 8 minus 1 is equals to 7. So first we will cut 8 and then write 7. So 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. Next we have 9 minus 8, which is equals to 1. So I hope you all have got it correct. So it will be 137. Next we do the second question. 657 minus 380. So here we do the question. So 7 minus 0 is 0. Next we will do 5 minus 8. Here 5 is smaller than 8. So we need to cut 5 and borrow from 6. So here we will again borrow from 6. Okay, and then we will put 1 in the front of 5. So first let's cut the 5, and then when we put 1 in the front of 5, it will be 15. So I will write here 15. Now 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. Next, since we have borrowed from 6, so we need to subtract 1 from 6, which will be 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. So first we will cut the 6 and then we will write 5. So 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. So here we have got the answer. So this was all for today, and thank you and hope you have understood. Bye bye. Let's meet you in the next video.